digital streamer. Today I'll be showing you how to do a buddy strings project. So, how it works is we're given two strings. Let's say one is ABC and the other is CBA. You want to see if you can switch two letters to get from the string to the goal. For example, ABC to CBA. We can switch around A and C, and that'll turn to CBA. So if you can only make one swap, you cannot make more than one. So let's say we had DCAA and our target was DCAB. As you can see, there's no way that we can switch the letters around to be the same because they're not even made out of the same letters. Alright guys, now I'll show you how to implement this in code. Right guys, I'm in my IDE. Make sure you are too. So to start, what we're going to do is we're going to create a function called buddy strings. Then we'll do S and go. Then to start, if the lengths of the strings are not the same, then we know that we can't switch them around to make them the exact same string. So we'll start by doing if the length of S is not equal to the length of goal, return false. Okay, then we're going to do if the string is equal to the goal, then we'll create a new set. We'll call it hash set or HS. Then we'll go through the string like this using for loop for car and S. If the character isn't in the hash set, then we'll add it to the HS. Otherwise, if you find a duplicate, then you know you can switch them around and it'll be the same string. So then we can return true. Okay, so now we want to return false if we get all the way to here. And now we'll do else if, oh wait, we can remove the else. If S is not equal to the goal, pointer is equal to -1. I'll explain why later. Then we need to turn S into a list. So lst is equal to list of S. Then we want to do a for loop for I in range 0 to the length of S colon if the string of I is equal to the goal of I if string of I not equal to goal of I, then so basically if these two letters aren't equal, the two current letters, then if the pointer is equal to -1, then we want to set the pointer to I, our current index. Otherwise, because these two are not the same, and we know that we've already found one because pointer isn't -1 anymore. We know that when we switch these two letters around, if when we switch it's still not the goal, then we know that's not possible. So then we'll do list of I and list of pointer is equal to list of pointer and list of I. This is just a swapping thing. And then we want to do return empty string dot join of list equals goal. So basically this is basically a shorter way of writing if empty string dot join of list is equal to goal, return true, otherwise return false. And then when that's done, if we came through all of that and we still come here and it's still didn't get a return, then you just do return false. Okay, so now we have to call our function. So we'll put print buddy strings here, then we're going to do SAB and then goal AB. You can't switch these around. AB would become BA, so it's going to be false. Let's try something we can do. ABC, CBA. So you know that if we switch C and A around, we can get ABC. True. Alright guys, thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to like that video and smash that subscribe button.